Good morning, every students of class 6. I think you all are very happy. Today I am going to tell you short question answers. Question number 5A. Okay. And first write in your copy, answer the following questions in brief. Again I am telling you, answer the following questions in brief. First question, 5th A. Define diversity. I had already explained in the class. Again, now write answer in your copy. I will tell very slowly that you can understand and you can write properly. When the school will be open, I will check your copy. 5A. Define diversity. Answer: pupil being different from each other in language, religion, culture, etc. is called diversity. Again I am going to tell you, define diversity. Pupil being different from each other in language, religion, culture, etc. is called diversity. Again I am going to tell you 5A. First write, you shall check your copy, answer the following questions in brief. BRIEF. 5A. Define diversity. Answer: pupil being different from each other in language, religion, culture, etc. is called diversity. B. What WHAT do you mean by religious diversity? Question mark. What WHAT, what do you mean by religious diversity? Again I am going to tell you, what do you mean by religious diversity? Answer: religious, RELIGIOUS. Religious diversity means that pupil belonging, BELONGING, belonging to many religions live together, full stop. The important religions practiced, PRACTICED, practiced in India are Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, Christian and Jainism. Full stop. Hindus worship in temples. Muslims offer namaz in the mosque. MOSQUE. Christians offer prayers in churches. Again I am going to tell you. Number B, what do you mean by religious diversity? Religious diversity means that people belonging belonging to many religions live together. The important religions practiced in India are Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, Christian and Jainism. Christian, Christian. Buddhism, Buddhism. Sikhism, Sikhism. Now, Hindus worship in temples, Muslims offer namaz in the mosques, Christians offer prayers in churches. Okay? Do you understand? Now, question number 3. See, what do you mean by heritage? Again, I am going to tell you, just check your copy. Number B, what do you mean by religious diversity? Just check your copy that your answer is correct or wrong. Religions diversity means that people belonging to many religions live together. The important religions practiced in India are Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, Christian and Jainism. Hindus worship in temples, Muslims offer namaz in the mosques, Christians offer prayers in churches. Okay. Number C, WHAT, what do you mean by heritage? HERITAGE. WHAT, what do you mean by heritage? Tradition. TRADITIONS. Traditions. Values. Historical buildings. Precious items that have been passed down from one generation to other generation is known as heritage. Okay. Now again I am going to tell you and check your copy. See, what do you mean by heritage? HERITAGE question mark. Answer, traditions means parampara. Do not write parampara, just traditions write it. TRADITIONS, traditions, comma, values, historical buildings, precious items that have been passed down from one generation to other generation is known as heritage. Okay. Now, question number D. Question number D. What is meant by linguistic diversity? Okay, what is meant by linguistic diversity? LINGUISTIC, diversity. DIVERSITY. So what WHAT is meant by linguistic diversity? Answer: India is a large country where people living in different regions speak different languages. Again, I am going to tell you first paragraph of the answer. India, check your copy, I think you have written, is a large country where WHERE, people living in different regions speak different languages. Full stop. Out of these, THEAC, 22 languages have been officially organized by the Constitution as scheduled languages, SCHEDULED, languages. Full stop. Some of these THEAC languages are Bengali, BNGALI, Assamese, ASSAMEAC, Hindi, Sanskrit, Telugu, Urdu and Urdu. Okay, now again I am telling the answer. Answer number D. What is meant by linguistic diversity? Answer: India is a large country where people living in different regions, regions, speak different languages. Full stop. Out of these, 22 languages have been officially organized by the Constitution as scheduled languages. Do not write the wrong spelling. SCHEDULED. Some of these languages, THEAC languages, are Bengali, Assamese, Hindi, Sanskrit, Telugu and Urdu. Full stop. It is correct answer. If you want to write, you can write 22 languages which is given in your book. You can write also. But it is also correct answer. If you do not want to write the answer, do not write. Okay. Now, extra question. Okay. Extra question. It is not given in the book. I have written from myself. Okay. Extra question. After D, you can write it in your copy. Extra questions. EXTRAQUESTIONS. Number 1. What is globalization? Again, I am going to tell you what WHAT is GLOBALIZATION. Globalization. Answer: globalization means opening, OPENING, opening up the economy to facilitate its integration with the world economy. Again, I am going to tell you, check your copy. Number one, what is globalization? Globalization means opening up the economy to facilitate its integration with the world economy. Okay, do you understand? I think you have written properly. Question 2, who wrote inverted comma start the discovery of India? Question mark inverted comma end. Again I am going to tell you question 2, who wrote the discovery of India? Question mark end inverted comma. I think you know the answer. Again I am going to tell you, it is extra question. Question number 2, who wrote inverted comma start the discovery of India? Question mark inverted comma end. Answer, it was written by Jawaharlal Nehru. It was written by Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Again I am going to tell you, question number 2, who wrote the inverted comma start the discovery of India? Question mark end inverted comma. Answer, it was written by Jawaharlal Nehru, comma the first Prime Minister of India. Okay. Now long and question answer. Okay, long question answer. Okay, long question answer. Question number 1, you can see your book. Discuss all forms of diversity in India. Again I am telling you, question number 1, discuss DISCUSS all forms FORMS of diversities in India. Full stop. Number A, geographical diversity. It is the point. Geographical diversity. GEOGRAPHICAL. Geographical diversity. Dash. Now you should write geographical diversity. I think you have written. Now write, living in different geographical areas brings in diversity. There are 6 major physical divisions in our country. Number 1, the northern mountains. Number 2, the northern plains. Number 3, the great Indian desert. Number 4, the coastal plains. Number 5, the peninsular plateau. Number 6, the islands. Okay, people living in coastal areas eat rice, fish and coconut, but in cold places like Kashmir, people eat milk and meat. Now, B, linguistic diversity. Indian Constitution recognizes 22 languages, full stop. They are Assamese, Bengali, Boro, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Nepali, Marathi, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Number C, religious diversity. Okay, religious diversity. Write short question B. I have already told you short question B, C short question B. If you have not written, I am going to tell you again. Religious diversity, C short question B. Okay, if you have not written, I am going to tell you. Religious diversity means that people belonging to many religions live together. The important religions practiced in India are Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Buddhism, Christian and Jainism. Hindus worship in temples, Muslims offer namaz in the mosques, Christians offer prayers in churches. Okay, so number D, economic diversity. Okay, point number D, economic diversity. The economic activities of a region are mainly determined, determined by the geographical and climate conditions, full stop. Different crops are grown in different regions depending upon the climate and soil of that region. That is why the northern plains grow mainly wheat, whereas the southern states grow rice. The coastal areas, fishing is an important economic activity. Okay, the coastal areas, fishing is an important economic activity. Number E, cultural diversity. The influence of environment is also affect the cultural diversity. Boat race in Kerala, folk dance of Sikkim, folk dance of Sikkim, SIKKIM, Bihu in Assam, Makar Sankranti in UP and Bihar. Again I am going to tell you cultural diversity. The influence of environment is also affect the cultural diversity. Boat race in Kerala, folk dance of Sikkim, Bihu in Assam, Makar Sankranti in Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Full stop. I am going to tell you that my mobile number is 8853993783. Again I am going to tell you, my mobile number is 8853993783. If you have any problem, you can ask my mobile number, because I am giving you question answer and explanation in another mobiles. I have no, if you have any problem, you can ask me this mobile number. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you every students. And okay, I am going to tell you homework, rest of the long questions. Homework, rest of the long question answer. It is your homework for today, rest of the long question answer.